Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you these mixed nuts. It is from a brand Lulu. Lulu is well-known brand in Saudi and Arab countries, a division of Lulu Group International. They have mentioned Sultanate of Oman and their website, keep your city clean. Oh, that's just normal logo. So what all nuts it contains, I'm gonna show you this, that if you gonna purchase the mixed nuts, what all are there. So friends, this is how it looks like, and it has walnut, as you can see, cashew nut, pistachios, open and peeled pistachios, and this almonds. Apart from that, raisins are not there, as I could see. No, raisins are not there. So all these 4 nuts are available in this mixed one, and these are very healthy, nice. You can eat daily and just be healthy. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you.